Cooco Lashes eyelashes manufacturer Co. Limited is engaged in False Eyelashes line since 1996. During the past years, we are keeping on studying and developing our design as well as the false eyelashes quality. We are dedicated to eyelash manufacturing, design, development and export trading. The product line is covered false eyelashes, 3D mink eyelashes, faux mink eyelashes, 5D premium synthetic eyelashes, eyelashes extension, magnetic eyelashes, lashes adhesive, lashes extension glue, beauty sponges, makeup tools, customized packaging and so on. More than 20 years of production design experience allow us to provide the guide to lead the fashion design, comfortable false eyelashes, high quality and best service. Meanwhile, in order to meet different products' need of our selling partners, we have set up a strong logist team for the other products like OEM and ODM, eyelashes, glue, etc. We are aiming to provide best service and quality to our partner. We want all of our customers to feel more beautiful and confident, so we have created a lash that is perfect for every lifestyle and eye shape. All of our high-quality lashes are lightweight, making them easy and comfortable to wear. Handmade with cruelty-free mink. Our lashes are long-lasting and reusable. Cooco Lashes can be worn up to 25 times. Because our lashes are sterilized, hypoallergenic, and made with no added chemicals or dyes, they are suitable for contact wearers or people with sensitive eyes. Our lashes come in a luxurious, compact, and durable packaging that can be used to store your lashes when you are not wearing them. At Cooco, you can expect superior customer service. Our goal is to be the leaders in the mink eyelash market, and to provide the highest quality mink lashes at affordable prices to women all around the world. We sincerely welcome all of our business friends to come and visit us for a long-term business relationship and get our mutual benefit by our joint effort.